Good morning, students. In fifth lesson of ours, supplementary reader, we have learned that the parrot of Princess September dies, and suddenly another bird came in its place, and she felt very happy to listen to the melodious singing voice of the new bird that arrived there. Okay, so the other 8 princesses advised her to put this bird into a cage for the safety of the bird, and though she was not interested to put him into the cage, but there is the weightage in her sister's advice. Now let's begin the second part. As I told you, to find out the answers of the questions given on page number 38. Now what happened? It seemed to Princess September that her little bird had been away a long time. Something might have happened to him. With hawks and with snares, you never knew what trouble he might get into. Besides, he might forget her, or he might take a fancy to somebody else. That would be dreadful. She wished he were safely back again. Now she got worried. As some people tell us something about others, it remains in our mind, it hovers our mind. So Princess September got worried about the safety of her bird. Now she was worried that hawks and snares, hawk you might be knowing the meaning of it. These are the birds like vultures. Then it is a sort of a kind of bird. Then the snare. Snare is traps for catching. These are traps. Snare मतलब क्या है? एक पकड़ने के लिए डिवाइस बर्ड्स को. Traps for catching birds and animals. कोई भी तरह का ट्रैप होगा वो स्नेयर कहलाएगा. ओके, सो शी वॉज वरीड दैट इट माइट हैव बीन ईटन बाय सम बिग बर्ड लाइक हॉक्स और स्नेयर्स. किसी जाल में तो नहीं फंस गया, या किसी और के साथ फैंसी हो गया, मतलब उसको कहीं और रुक गया. दैट वुड बी ड्रेडफुल. अब वो डर गई कि ऐसा हो गया तो कितना मुश्किल हो गया. She wished he were safely back again. वो सोचने लगी कि वो जल्दी से सेफ्टी से वापस आ जाए. Suddenly, September heard a tweet tweet just behind her ear, and she saw the little bird sitting on her shoulder. He had come in so quietly and alighted so softly that she had not heard him. Suddenly, she heard a tweet sweet sound of the bird, and she could not hear her arrival. उसके आने की जरा भी आवाज़ नहीं हुई, और इतना सॉफ्टली आया कि वो सुन ही नहीं पाई उसकी अराइवल की साउंड. I wondered what on earth had become of you, said the princess. उसने पूछा, अरे तुम्हें क्या हुआ? I thought you would wonder that, said the little bird. The fact is, I very nearly didn't come back tonight at all. My father-in-law was giving a party and they all wanted me to stay. But I thought you would be anxious. See the reply given by the bird. See, उसने कहा कि मुझे पता था कि आप चिंता कर रही होगी, बट फैक्ट तो यही है कि मैं आज आने ही नहीं वाला था. My father-in-law had arranged a party and they all wanted to stay me there. They all wanted that I should stay there. But I thought that you would become anxious. लेकिन मैंने सोचा तुम चिंता करोगे. Anxious means being worried. Means being worried. Okay? So, September felt her heart go thump against her chest, and she made up her mind to take no more risk. She put up her hand and took hold of the bird. The bird suspected nothing, and he was so surprised when she carried him over to the cage, poked him in, and shut the door on him that for a moment he could think of nothing to say. But in a moment or two he hopped up to the ivory perch and said, "What is the joke?" September बहुत डर गई. She got her heart felt go thump against her chest. उसको बहुत हार्ट बीट तेज हो गई उसकी, डर गई. And she had made up her mind to put the bird into the cage. So she caught the bird, and the bird didn't get suspected, and the princess took him to the cage and shut the door behind him. She put him into the cage on ivory perch. Ivory जानते हो? हाथी के दांत की बनी हुई पर्च. पर्च मैंने बताया था एक ब्रांच जिस पर बर्ड्स बैठते हैं. तो आइवरी बर्ड, आइवरी इज द एलिफेंट टस्क. यू मस्ट बी नोइंग इट इज़ वेरी प्रीशियस, बहुत कीमती होती है. तो उसकी बैठने के लिए पर्च भी आइवरी पर्च बनाई गई थी. बर्ड आस्क्ड, व्हाट इज द जोक? देयर इज नो जोक, said September, but some of Mama's kids are prowling about tonight, and I think you are much safer in here. उसने कहा कि नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं, nothing is there, but some cats are crawling. Crawling means moving around, right? Moving around quietly. So for your safety, I am keeping you in the cage. Well, just for this once, I don't mind, said the little bird. So long as you let me out in the morning. उसने कहा ठीक है, I don't mind for tonight, but in the morning you let me free. सुबह तुम मुझे जरूर फ्री कर दोगी. He ate a very good supper and then began to sing, but in the middle of his song he stopped. In his cage he was provided with a good supper. He ate to his fill, but he could not sing after midnight. पहले तो काफ़ी देर तो गाया, but he could not sing after that. I don't know what is the matter with me, he said, but I don't feel like singing tonight. वो सरप्राइज था कि मुझे पता नहीं क्या हो गया. I am not feeling well tonight and I am unable to sing now. Very well, go to sleep instead. Princess also replied that it would be better you go to sleep. Doesn't matter if you don't sing, go to sleep instead. इसके ठीक है, बेहतर होगा कि तुम सो जाओ. So he put his head under his wing and in a minute was fast asleep. September went to sleep too, but when the dawn broke, she was awakened by the little bird calling her at the top of his voice. Bird also went to sleep. He put his head under his wing. You must have noticed if you go to visit some trees, plants or some gardens, birds sleep under their wing. अपने हेड, अपने विंग को फैलाकर डाउन कर लेती है अपने हेड को. ओके. सो in the morning, as soon as the sun rose, dawn means, as I told you, dawn and dusk, these are opposite time. Dawn and dusk. Dawn is morning time before sunrise and dusk is evening when the sun sets. So when sun rose, he started shouting, crying. क्या बोलने लगा वो? But when the dawn broke, he was awakened by the little bird. This princess was awakened by the little bird's song. वो जग गई, princess जग गई, and the bird was calling her at the top of his voice. तेज आवाज में उसको वो बुलाने लगी. Wake up, he said. Open the door of this cage and let me out. I want to have a good flight while the dew is still on the ground. What he wanted? He wanted his freedom. उसने कहा मुझे जाने दो. And I wanted to have a good flight. मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ. I want to take a flight in the open sky. And I want to have a good flight while the dew is still on the ground. उसने कहा अभी जब ग्राउंड पर ओस है तब तक मैं एक फ्लाइट लेना चाहता हूँ. Let me go out. You are much better off where you are, said September. September ने कहा तुम जहाँ हो वहीं ठीक हो. Okay? So he said, let me out, said the bird. And he tried to slip through the bars of his cage, but of course couldn't. And he beat against the door, but of course he couldn't open it. Then the 8 princesses came in and looked at him. He told September she was very wise to take their advice. They said he would soon get used to the cage and in a few days would quite forget he had ever been free. The little bird said nothing at all while they were there, but as soon as they were gone, he began to cry again, let me out, let me out. क्या हो गया? The bird shouted and cried, let me out, let me go. He tried to slip out of the bars of the cage, but couldn't. Of course, he couldn't. But suddenly, all other 8 princesses reached there and they felt happy to find the bird in a cage. Then they talked to September and told her that she was wise enough to take their advice and kept the bird into the cage. And they also assured her that this bird would forget everything about his freedom and he would confine himself into the cage and he would forget about his freedom. But as soon as the princesses went away, they had left the place, the bird started crying once again, let me out, let me out. Till when? Till the time, or by the time the princesses, the 8 princesses stayed in the Princess September's room, they did not, means this bird did not say anything when they were giving her the advice. जब उसको कह रही थी अच्छा हुआ तुमने इसको नहीं जाने दिया, इसको पिंजरे में रख दिया, he did not say a word, but as soon as the princesses left, he started shouting again in a loud voice, let me out, let me out. मुझे जाने दो बस अब यहाँ से. Okay?